Holi special thali recipe contains pink lassi, green paneer curry, purple rice kheer and the orange puri. Sound interesting? Happy Holi to all. Hello Alice, I am Arunima and welcome to Homely Kitchen with Arunima. Today I am coming with colorful Holi special recipe without any food color, and these recipes are completely veg. So let's start the interesting recipes. My first recipe is pink lassi, the special pink lassi for this Holi season. To prepare the pink lassi, grate half beetroot. It is the main component for the natural pink color. I have shown the measurement for 1 serve. You can increase the measurement. Take a glass, add thick curd in it. Fill the 3/4 portion of the glass with curd. For special thandai taste, add raisin and cashew nuts. It's absolutely optional. Add black salt and sugar. You can add these things directly in the blender jar also. Give it a good mix. Add the mixture in a blender jar. Add little water. Do not use too much water, otherwise the lassi will be thin. Instead of water, you can use the ice cubes also. Now squeeze the grated beetroot and see how beautiful the color is. Mix well. For special flavor, add rose water. Blend it nicely. Do use the mixture. Pour them in a glass. Your pink lassi is ready and served. Serve it cold and enjoy the awesome taste. The next recipe is green paneer curry. Let's see the recipe. At first prepare the spices of the gravy. Here we need 2 paste. For first one, add curd and watermelon seeds in a mixture jar. Blend it nicely. Watermelon seeds are used to thicken the gravy. So do use this, don't skip this. For the green color mixture, add lots of coriander leaves, green chilies and green peas. Add little water. Blend nicely. Now heat the pan with oil. Definitely use the sunflower oil. Add paneer cubes in the oil. Saute them nicely. Do not use turmeric and do not over fry the paneer, otherwise the paneer will be hard. Take them out of the pan. Add the tiered bay leaf and cumin seeds in the remaining oil. Saute well. Add the curd mixture. Cook well. All the measurements are in the description box. Do check them out. Add the green paste and cook nicely. See how beautiful the color is without any food color. It is also a healthy recipe because green peas are full of protein. Add salt, cumin powder as per your taste. Do not use the turmeric powder and red chili powder. Add the paneer cubes. Mix the fried paneer with the gravy. Add water. If you want to see another paneer recipes, you can check my chili paneer and shahi paneer recipe. I will give the link in the I button and in the description box. Do check them out. You can add the butter and garam masala also. Serve the green paneer and enjoy the awesome taste. Now the unique purple kheer recipe is coming. Have you ever heard about this? Let me know in the comment section below. The mystery behind the beautiful purple color is basque leaf. It is the special type of basque leaf which can release the purple color in water. I found this in my home garden. See the color. Take fragrance rice, add ghee in it. Marinate the rice for some times. Take full fat milk. Take the milk in the pan. Heat the milk. Add tiered bay leaf in the milk. Boil the milk. Stir occasionally to avoid the burning. Cover the pan to boil the milk. Add the marinated rice. If you want to see coconut kheer recipe, I will give the link in the I button and in the description box. Do check them out. Let the rice be cooked. Now add the purple water. And see the magic. You can add the purple water as per your choice. It will not destroy the milk, so you can add freely. It does not leave any taste or any smell. Now the rice is cooked. Add the sugar candy. Instead of sugar candy, you can use the sugar also. But remember one thing, do not use the sweetener before cooking the rice. When the rice is cooked completely, at that stage add the sugar or sugar candy. Your purple kheer is ready and served. Now the final recipe is orange puri. To make the orange masala of the puri, Add the tomato puree in the hot oil. Cook it for some time. Add grated carrot, and it gives you the orange color naturally. Saute well. Add salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder and cumin powder. Cook well. You can use little garam masala also. Now add the mixture in a blender jar. Blend it nicely. This step is absolutely optional. For smoother masala, I have done this. Take flour. Add the orange mixture in the flour. Knead it nicely with the help of water. And make dough balls. Apply oil on the rolling board and rolling pin. Take a dough ball and roll it nicely. You can increase or decrease the shape as per your choice. Take hot oil and add the rolling dough on it. Fry it nicely from both sides. Now take them out of the pan and serve it hot. Your orange puri is ready and served.
Have you found this video helpful? Don't forget to like and share this video and comment down below have you enjoyed this combo recipe or not. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and set to all to get notification of the more exciting recipes. Okay Alice, that's all for today. Meeting you in next Sunday with another recipe. Till then, bye.
Your Holi special colorful recipe is ready and served. Definitely try this at your home and let me know in the comment section below which recipe you like the most. Happy Holi! Be safe and enjoy your Holi!